Can't really tell if you can see all the color here, but the sun is just rising and the entire forest is gold. It's really incredible. It's like 5:25 and I'm almost to my first point. I had quite the climb. But let's see if I actually make it on time. It'll be really close, if not. So it's nice. I'm not like 25 minutes late to my point for once. So today was quite the day. Katie did the Cushman transect, which I just realized you can actually see the top of Cushman from here. It's a pretty big mountain for the area at least. But yeah, I got to my transect on time, and it was super open, super easy to, travel through. It was really well flagged, which was fabulous. And then I had some good birds. I had a boreal chickadee finally. I don't remember what else. I had a female ruffed grouse charge at me, and then whine during the entirety of one of my counts. And I had a barred owl hooting right above me on one of my counts. So it was a really good day for birds. And then I hopped over to the next transect. And did a couple points there, found our last temperature sensor logger, and then hopped back over to this transect and did my last point, all before 10 a.m. So I'm happy, got a lot done today. Yeah, I'm just hoping Katie had a good day, because Cushman is a real bother. It's really not that bad until you get to the top. I don't know, I'm probably slower today than she was, but we'll see.